Presenting a pre-owned 2017 Audi Q7. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter V6 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 89,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 19 miles per gallon in the city, and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, roof rails, blind spot safety, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, spare tire kit, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, and window defogger. Thank you for visiting Michael's Motorcars. Since 1996 we have been the Jersey Shore's premier dealership, specializing in quality automobiles at great prices, guaranteed financing available. Stop in for a test drive today or call 732-775-4444.